We'll guide you through how to add the Google search bar on an Android home screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and have because you can then go and tap on it. It'll go and open up and you can then quickly go and search something. So I could go and search for GuideRealm like so. So it's a really quick way of being able to go and access Google and make searches. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what we're going to do is come out of here for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and remove this and then show you we can go and add it. So we go and tap and hold it. I'll go and press remove like so, and it's now gone. However, you may not currently have it. It doesn't matter. So what you want to do is just come onto the home screen and go and find some blank area. It doesn't really matter where. Then all you need to do is go and tap and hold your finger like so. It will then go and change to this. And what you can do is go and look at the bottom, and you need to go and locate the option for widgets. So go and open that up there. It's the third option. Wait, and then this will go and open up. You may go and get recommended at the top, but you can just go and scroll down and keep on scrolling down. We aren't going to use Chrome. You want to keep on scrolling. We're going to be using Google. So you should go and have the Google app. If you don't, you can go and get it from the Play Store. And then what you can do is go and tap on Google to go and expand it. Then you can scroll down and you're going to go and see the different options here. There are quite a few. What we're looking for is the search bar. It says quickly search by text, voice, or camera. So you can select it. Then you want to go and press add. There it is. You want to go and tap off of it. Then go and tap and hold your finger on it and you can start dragging it. And you can then go and drag it to your desired position. So for me, I like it at the top here, or it could be down here as well. And then you can release and there it is. We can then go and tap off of it. And then to go and use it, all you need to do is go and tap on it. And we can go and start typing. So that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to go and see more guys like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more on the channel and loads more to come. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to helping you out again in the next how-to. Have a great day. Goodbye.